Hey, how's it going, Math 3? This is Mr. Hernandez, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about factoring today. And so I wonder if you remember about factoring from last year. And factoring pretty much looks like maybe something like this. If you had x squared minus 4, you could factor it with x minus 2 and x plus 2. You could also see an example of factoring if you have something like let's see, maybe something like this. You would factor it, and factoring is basically breaking it down like this. You would factor it into x minus 3 x plus 1. Okay, so those are just a couple of examples. So what you have done in Math 3 so far is you've basically taken these factors that were already given to you, and you multiply them using, distribution, or you may have used the box method, to multiply those back together, and that would get you back up to this trinomial or binomial, polynomial. You may have even, multiplied, let's say, something like this, using those methods of FOIL or the box method to multiply them. And so the reason why factoring is so important is because you have you have this graph here. You have the factors, and you have the standard form of a polynomial. So let me walk you through those real quick. So let's say that you have a polynomial with two factors, x negative 2 and positive 2. Let's say those are your x coordinates. These would be your roots, your zeros, your x-intercepts, and your solutions. Well, the factors that would come from that, again, factors are going to be, the opposite signs of these two. It would be x plus 2 and x minus 2. And then by doing, either FOIL or the box method to multiply these two binomials, you would end up getting something like x squared minus 4. And so there's a relationship between the graph and the factors, because the graph gives you the x-intercepts and the factors come from the x-intercepts. So let me just do one more. So let's say negative 1 and positive 3 were, and let's add one more. Let's add a positive 1. So this one's going to look maybe something like this, where you have the three x-intercepts. Negative 1, that would be x plus 1. A positive 1 would be x minus 1. And a positive 3 would be x minus 3. And then once you multiply this out, this one may be your x squared minus 4x plus 3 from these two, and then you could just drop this one down, and then this is something that you've seen with before using the box method, or FOIL or distribution. So there is a way to multiply those, but the point is you'll get to your standard form from there. And so the main point that I'm trying to make is that the graph gives you the x-intercepts, and the factors, well, they come from the x-intercepts. And so far what we've done in this class is we've looked at going from these factors, we multiplied them, through distribution and whatever, and we were able to get the standard form. That's what we've done so far in Math 3. So this is what we've done in Math 3. But when you go from the standard form to the factors and then come up with the graph with the x-intercepts, that's something that we haven't done. We haven't gone the opposite way. So I'm going to basically have you learn the first method of this year of factoring, and that is going to be called difference of squares. So you're going to watch another video, take notes on that video, and that'll be it for today. All right, enjoy your day.